I want to share with you my new listing here in Rancho Bernardo. It's a newly renovated townhome with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's a top floor, corner end unit. I'm DeAnn Dillard with Whissel Realty. Let's check it out. This community provides an amazing lifestyle, which includes a clubhouse, a racquetball room, a media center, an outdoor fireplace with picnic area and built-in barbecues, and a sparkling pool and spa. And can you believe all of this is under $500,000? If you guys would like more information about this home or any other home, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment to view it, just reach out to me at the number below, 760-214-9626. I'm DeAnn Dillard with Whissel Realty Group.